Hi, welcome to the tea cottage. Come on in.
On the way to your brother's house
Good morning. Today I'm going to talk about something that I'm really excited about because it's one of those herbs that has been used forever, basically since Bible times. We read about frankincense, but it's being currently studied in a really exciting form of treatment for cancer. And so frankincense is one of those herbs that I'm really excited to see where we go with it over the course of the next 10 years or so. I included it in my top 10 list of herbs because it can do so many things. It has this potential to produce, and I'm going to probably mispronounce this word, but it's called apoptosis, or apoptosis, apoptosis. And I've studied what that is, but I've never heard the pronunciation, so I very well may be wrong on the pronunciation of that. But basically what it does is it causes the cell, the damaged cells, or the bad cells, in this case cancer cells when used for cancer treatment, to die, but in a way that it targets only those bad cells. It's been studied with leukemia, and so there was a study done that showed that the component in frankincense that causes that apoptosis was effective in being used to treat leukemia, and it's being studied right now to see how it affects the other cancers like breast cancer and lung, bladder, brain. It mentioned a bunch of the ones that it was being studied on, but so this could be huge, potentially in dealing with cancers. But the fact that it can regenerate cells and also eliminate bad cells is one of the things that makes frankincense so amazing. I got to listen to a class on frankincense in the National Health Summit this year, and it was so neat because frankincense is a discerning herb, which is something that I have never read about or studied up until this point, and it's really neat because it has the ability to tell between bad cells and good cells and whether to help proliferate the good ones and kill the bad ones, which just seems amazing to me. So frankincense is really neat to study, and it also has a wonderful effect on the emotions. It can be very uplifting but also focusing. So it's helpful in the treatment of like ADD, or children who need help focusing, or yourself if you need help focusing on a specific task for the day. Diffusing frankincense can be very helpful with that, and also just giving an overall uplifting feeling. Another thing that frankincense is used for is for migraine headaches. You can put a drop of frankincense on the roof of your mouth. So frankincense has some really wonderful, already known uses and some really exciting uses that it's being studied for. So I'm going to put a lot of those uses below this email. And I wanted to show you some frankincense because I think it's just pretty neat. It's a resin, so I'll show you what this looks like. This is frankincense. And frankincense that comes in resin form, you can sprinkle over burning embers, or to use with like incense. It was used biblically for ceremonial uses. They would often use it as incense or as an oil. And so frankincense is one of those things that I'm really excited about and I'm really studying right now. It has the potential to be just an amazingly multi-use herb. So I'm really excited to share with you those things in the email today. And tomorrow I am going to be sharing with you about lemon balm. So I will see you then.